Hi, this is Matt Yetter with Sherlock Home Inspections. Phone number is 971-212-7481. Website address is yourinspectionneeds.com. Today's date is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. The address we're inspecting today is 11933 Northeast Eugene Street, Portland, Oregon, 97220. We are about to perform a video inspection of the property's main sewer line through the front yard exterior cleanout. The equipment being used today is the Vutech self-leveling HD color video inspection camera. This is one of the best cameras on the market today. Before we begin this video inspection, it is to be noted some sewer pipes made of clay, concrete, cast iron, asbestos, and orangeburg may be in good working order and may never have had a clogged or sewer backup before. However, due to real estate transactions, attorneys, and lawsuits, Sherlock Home Inspections must recommend the following to meet the current codes. All sewer pipes should be watertight, made out of cast iron, ABS 3034 or HDPE pipe with all appropriate fittings and couplers. All sewer pipes should be free from breaks, offsets, separations, tree roots, bellies, and party sewers. Sherlock Home Inspections recommends replacing any sewer pipe that does not meet these specifications. Here we go. So we are at the an ABS plastic cleanout at the front of the house. There is a little bit of marginal pitch to start. You can see things are making their way through here, but just a little bit slowly in the beginning of this pipe. So we would recommend having a sewer scope performed periodically, keeping an eye on things. With the amount of rain that happens in the northwest and with the amount of settling that can happen of the house and or the pipes, additional leveling can happen, and if water bellies ever formed because of this leveling, or if the pitch ever worsened over time, then some repairs could be required to repitch or reslope this pipe. But again, as of right now, it looks like just some marginal pitch, and let's see how it goes throughout the inspection. We're going to transition the PVC pipe there at about 4 feet, 3.5 feet. So it's almost like a little bit of a belly as you pull out of here. You can see you kind of get like a whirlpool effect as you reach the bottom. What we like is it's coming out of a chute, so things are just flying down this pipe, so it doesn't appear to be causing any problems. But again, one more reason to keep an eye on things. So you come out of there and you get this kind of whirlpool effect. You come out of it, and then we're back to a regular pitch. We're going to transition to, well, staying in PVC. Going pipe sizes. We're going to turn and we're going to drop into the city lateral at, we'll call it 46 feet. So we started in ABS, we transitioned to PVC, and we dropped in city lateral at 46 feet. There are a couple areas we would highly recommend keeping an eye on. So we'd recommend having a sewer scope performed every 2 to 3 years, keeping an eye on marginal pitch at the beginning of the inspection. So the pipe is a little bit flat to start, and then coming out of that straight down dive, there's a little bit of standing water at the bottom of that. So a couple areas, again, like I said, we would highly recommend having a sewer scope performed every 2 to 3 years, keeping an eye on things. And if issues ever worsened, or if pitch ever worsened or the water belly ever worsened, then of course some repairs could be required here in the future. But if you take a snapshot of the property currently today, the pipe is not having any issues. There's no sign of defects or anything like that. So a snapshot of the property currently today, pipe does appear to be in working condition and passes inspection. And again, one more time, the recommendation would be to keep an eye on things. So recommend having a sewer scope performed periodically. And then of course you have to go into this knowing that if issues ever worsened, if conditions ever worsened, and it is possible because of the amount of rain that happens in the northwest, then some repair could be required here in the future. But as of right now, the pipe does appear to be in working condition and passes inspection.